Now your cut looks a mess and your hands have ached and pain. Not anymore. Introducing cordless Smart Scissors by Singer. The fast, easy, and pain-free way to cut. Smart Scissors are lightweight, fit comfortably in your right or left hand, and power through the thickest task with ease. Watch. Quickly cut out stacks of coupons for huge savings. Easily glide through 2 layers of top denim for a pair of shorts. Or follow a curved pattern on thick quilting with precision and speed. Smart Scissors even cuts hard leather without getting stuck in the cut. Simply press down the handle and 2 sharp stainless steel blades automatically cut at super high speeds. Gently let up and they stop on their own. Whether it's vinyl, satin, corduroy, or velvet, Smart Scissors cut them all. Watch out! Regular scissors can be dangerous and pop this balloon, but not Smart Scissors. The cutting blades are safely tucked in, making them ideal for the entire family.
For some reason,
now where are these?
Pretty close.
Take them outside for patio carpet or garden cover. Plus, they
if you look at my camera, you see, don't look in this camera.
I can't see
Where's the plug? I'll plug it in. This is dot. See the dot?
over on this side.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out how we're cleaning everything. Is it gone?
No.
How are you gonna get your?
On the inside somehow.
I don't know if I should take it back because it looks like a fingerprint when I record.
It does. Or maybe they know how to clean it.
Because you can't take this off.
Don't try it. You need a professional to do it. Even if you think you know, you need a professional that knows how it works.
Because see, this is what I use my rag that I clean my computer screen with, so it's not going to hurt it. And I've cleaned it and it still won't come off. Oh gosh dang it.